Today, we will learn Microsoft Word. We all use Microsoft Word in our work. Today, we will explain it briefly, mentioning some overlooked aspects. Before us, as we can see, is a new Word document file. From here, you can choose and change the desired font for typing. You can also download other fonts by searching on Google and installing them on your device. Here, to make the font bold, here italic, and here underlined. For example, we write some letters like this. By clicking here, you can write letters below the line. By clicking here, you can write letters above the line. And by clicking here, you can change the font size, like this. By clicking here, you can apply effects to the font. By clicking here, you can make the writing from right to left. And write some Arabic letters like this. By highlighting the letters like this and choosing to enlarge or reduce. When you click on Font Effects, you will see several formatting options to choose from. Here, to select the outer frame for the font. By clicking here, you can choose a shadow for the font, and here, you can choose to reflect the font. Here, you can create a font glow, and here, what is called number styles. They are applied to numbers. So, we will write some numbers here to see the effect of the styles on them. We highlight the numbers, then choose effects, and then number styles. For example, we choose any style and see its effect like this. By clicking on the default, it will return to its original style. By clicking here, you can remove any applied formatting. For example, if we change the font formatting like this, and then click on Clear Format, the font will return to its original state. Similarly, if we add some formatting like superscript, bold, italic, or underline, then press Clear Format, the font will return to its original state. Notice that there are two types of color fill. The first one here is for coloring the font. For example, if we haven't highlighted the font and we choose a color from here, the entire line will be colored. And we can change the line's color like this. But to color specific words or letters, we highlight them and choose the color from here. This is the difference between the two coloring tools. By clicking here, you can undo the last change. By clicking here, you can choose the word case for English letters in the sentence. For example, we write some words in English like this. When we highlight them and choose from the menu, we can see the effect. For example, when choosing sentence case, the first letter of the sentence changes. And if we choose lowercase, the whole sentence becomes lowercase. And if we choose uppercase, all letters become capital. If we choose capital each word, it will look like this. And the last choice makes the first letter of each word lowercase. By clicking here, you can choose bullet points or shapes for the sequence. For example, writing some lines to apply it to. We highlight the lines and choose bullet points like this. To create custom bullet points, we select Define New Bullet. This window will open to customize new bullet points. By clicking on symbol, you can choose any of these symbols to be bullet points. For example, choosing this symbol and then clicking OK. The symbol will represent the bullet points, and it will be available in the menu to choose at any time. By clicking on picture and searching, for example, for a flower. Then selecting the desired image and clicking Insert, then OK. The selected image will become the bullet points. From here, you can choose different types of sequences, such as letters or numbers. For example, when choosing alphabetical sequence, it will be like this. To insert a custom sequence, click here and then define new number format. Then choose the desired sequence style and click OK. To insert a custom multi-level sequence, press here and then click Define New Multi-Level List. Each number represents the level and order of the sequence. You can click on the number and select its sequence format. To create a custom format, click here, then select Define New List Style. Then type the name of the custom style, for example, My Style. And choose the desired sequence format for each level. For example, choose alphabetical sequence for the first and second levels. And choose, for example, the image we downloaded earlier for the third level. Then click OK. To select the custom format, click here, and then choose My Style. You can make the list have multiple levels like this. The sequence will appear for each level according to the custom style we created. By clicking here to select the borders of the selected paragraph. For example, we write some sentences and add more lines for clarification. By clicking on the borders and then borders and shading. And selecting an outline border for the paragraph like this and then OK. For example, by clicking on multiple options for the borders like this. To choose border formats, click here, then borders and shading. Select the desired color and size for the border. Add a shadow to the border, then click OK. So that it appears in the following way. This border is chosen for the paragraph only, not for the entire document. By clicking here, you can choose the line spacing. And by clicking here, you can choose text alignment. You can also select Justified to make the text extend to the end of the lines. By clicking here, you can choose main and subheadings. For example, here, there is a heading 1 or 2. This is useful when creating a table of contents, which we will discuss later. Notice the difference in headings when choosing the first or the second, and so on. We will conclude here for today, and we'll see you in upcoming videos. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe. For more, visit us at Fair Solution. Thank you and have a nice day.